You're watching Newstainment Television.
I made it to the top 5 of this prestigious event headed by Parimal Mehta sir and getting judged by the most respectable faces of this industry. Thank you guys. And if I tell you about myself, like why I am here, so I am here because I made a promise to myself when I was 14 that I will never stop whatever the circumstances are, whatever it is. I I will never stop until I turn my vision into reality. Thank you.
I hail from a very small town called Bhagalpur in Bihar. I profoundly believe in myself and my positive approach with great willpower and confidence. I profoundly believe in myself and my positive approach with great willpower and confidence sets me apart. And that is the only reason why I am standing before you all. The journey of OMG has been a thrilling experience because of the takeaways that will be taken back home, and the guidance of the supremely talented mentors at OMG have added an invaluable value addition to the entire journey. And to talk about myself, I feel it's been a very fine experience, a very good experience that I have been a part of this journey. And I would like to thank everyone, my friends, my family who have supported me to be here. Thank you so much.
Very good afternoon to all the members present here. My name is Vishal Shetty, and I have been born and brought up in this beautiful city of dreams, Mumbai. Everyone says they have a childhood dream to become an actor and a model, but I have been trying to pursue this dream since my childhood. And after I have accomplished all my academics and I have got my chartered accountant degree, I think it's time for me to pursue my childhood dream to be an actor and a model. I just followed two rules in my life. Number one, it's never too late to follow your dreams. Number two, if you can't stop thinking about it, don't stop working for it. And this has been my journey. As you saw, my journey has been excellent. It's very much a lot to learn. The entire journey has been full of excitement, entertainment, and lots of learning. I think now it's time for me to pursue my career in full into acting and modeling. And this is my opportunity. OMG gave me this platform to pursue my acting as a full-time talent. And I think I want to fulfill my career through this OMG pageant right now. Thanks so much.
And I took the one less traveled by, and that made all the difference. Good evening, everybody. I am Tatiksha Thakkar from Mohali, Punjab. And these were the lines from one of my favorite poems, the poem The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost. It is my favorite poem, not only because of how beautifully it is written, but also because how I relate to it a lot. I relate to it because I find myself at a similar pedestrian route in life right now. And I believe that all of you dignitaries also sitting here today must have been at a similar point of. And it is with OMG today that I find myself having such a wonderful platform to embark upon my journey in such a safe space and to nurture my dreams further. I'm truly, really grateful for this opportunity, and I would like to thank you all for coming here today and encouraging all of us young talents in going ahead in life and pursuing what we truly want to pursue. Apart from this, I'm somebody who's always wanted to passionately follow her dreams, and as I grew, so did my fondness for the fashion and entertainment industry, and that's how I went on to pursue my degree from NIFT. And after that, it is here today that I find myself standing here in front of you all and proudly representing to all the people who nagged my parents for being or having a single girl child. And I want to show them all someday that what an impact a single woman can make in society single-handedly. And it is with OMG that I wish that maybe today, no matter what the results are, I want to go back and be somebody who represents herself and goes ahead with the journey. Thank you so much.
Tatho Pinde, Yatho Pramane. The way you are from within, so is the manifested word. Good afternoon, respected judges, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Samarthya Gupta, I'm 23. I belong to the city of Great Temples, Jammu. I strongly believe in one thing. If you really want something in life, you should be completely devoted to the process. As if you want flowers, you just don't think about them. You just water them, manure them, give them sunlight every day. Eventually, the flowers will blossom. Similarly, in my OMG journey and in my life, I I cherish every moment and I give fullest. I cherish every moment and I give fullest to every moment. Eventually, the results will blossom. Thank you, OMG, for giving me this platform, and thank you. Wish you a great time ahead. Thank you.
I was actually talking about the experiences that I had from OMG because after the COVID, when there was no hope in the field of fashion industry, OMG came into existence that brought out the best.
Google G. Google yeah.
Thank you so much, sir. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to the prestigious jury and my competence. A big round of applause to everyone who's made this event such a grand success. I mean, it's hats off to everyone. It's a pleasure being here, and I'm here because I have a dream and I'm chasing it. I'm here because representing my country has been the vision, and this is my first step towards it. I'm here because I'm very, very passionate about fashion and fitness, and Mr. India justifies everything that I aspire to be. The road ahead is not an easy one, but it's not even close to how tough I am, right? So, too many reasons and roadblocks to not be here, but not one good enough. But not one good enough for me to not achieve and go ahead and try whatever I want to in my life. And I think you might have not known me when I walked in, but I'm sure that won't be the case when I walk out. Thank you. My name is Gokul. I'm 22 years old and I'm from Chennai.
नमस्ते, मेरा नाम पूजा सिंह है। मैं 21 वर्ष की हूँ, उत्तर प्रदेश बरेली शहर से, जो कि झुमका सिटी की नाम से फेमस है। मैं अपने हर कार्य को धैर्य और समर्पण के साथ पूर्ण करती हूँ। यही मेरी सबसे बड़ी ताकत है। मैं यह विचार रखती हूँ, सफलता पाने के लिए आत्मविश्वास और जुनून का होना बहुत आवश्यक है। यही मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ी प्रेरणा है। OMG मेरी जिंदगी के लिए बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है, इसलिए क्योंकि मैं यहाँ पे आने के लिए बहुत ही मेहनत और सफलता से यहाँ तक पहुँची हूँ। थैंक्स टू OMG। थैंक यू सो मच।
Hello everyone, I am Pratiksha, now OMG Face of the Year 2021, and I'm really grateful and fortunate to have this title with me, and I hope that I live on to it.
Before we go to the other contestants, पूरी एक journey रही, आज आप winner के साथ बैठे हैं, it's been your hard work, what do you like to say?
I'm just relaxed right now because it's over. I mean, the first season is just done. We're just starting their journey now. I mean, although I know that I don't have time anymore for relaxation, but this journey has taught me a lot of things. It's taught me everything to do with how a talent is expecting, what are the talents, where are they coming from, what are their mindsets, and it's so beautiful that this journey could help us understand a lot of people, a lot of candidates, and there they are, the winners who are chosen by the jury and by the overall weightage of everything what they did right from the start till the end. We were very nervous till yesterday, who's going to be, who's not going to be the winner, because all five, as I said, were winners for me. But I'm glad that whatever jury chose, whatever we have overall ratings, have really justified each and everyone who's won whichever positions. I'm really very relaxed, honestly speaking.
Anushka, आपकी कैसी रही journey पूरी?
I believe it was very great experience to learn. और हाँ, ये जर्नी मेरी जनवरी से शुरू हुई थी और दिसंबर में जाके ख़त्म हुई है, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखने के लिए मिली। बहुत सी चीज़ें आई बिलीव कि हमने आपस में सीखी। जो कंटेस्टेंट अब यहाँ तक नहीं पहुँचे, हमने उनसे भी सीखी। सर ऑफ कोर्स वाज अ ग्रेट इंस्पिरेशन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस। ही वाज थ्रू आउट द जर्नी, ही वाज pushing us, telling us what are the areas where we can improve. So yes, it was a great learning experience.
Anushka, आज second runner up है, आप announcement हुआ है, one your space there. Pooja, what do you have to say about that?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे सेकंड रनर अप की पोजीशन जीत के, क्योंकि सब ने मेरा काफ़ी हेल्प करी आगे बढ़ने के लिए। थैंक्स टू प्रमोद सर, उन्होंने मेरी इतनी मदद करी, हम सबकी मदद करी, बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें सिखाई हमें। आगे बढ़ने के लिए। थैंक यू।
आगे की क्या प्लानिंग है? क्या आप लोग कोई शो करने वाले हैं, टेलीविजन या फिल्म, वेब सीरीज? व्हाट इज योर प्लानिंग फर्दर, या रियलिटी शो स्क्रिप्ट मिला?
अभी फिलहाल तो ये मोमेंट हम जीना चाहेंगे और उसके बाद जो हमारी राह में आए उसे ज़रूर, अगर आता है तो क्यों नहीं, बेशक।
It's still at a loss of words to fathom that I've actually made it. It's been an incredible experience, all thanks to Parimal sir for actually starting this when there was scarcity of opportunities, when people were actually trying to reach out. We were in the middle of a pandemic, and sir had this brilliant idea to create a platform where people can explore their potential, and true talent can actually come out from anywhere, regardless of which city you are, which it's just incredible. It's an incredible feeling. Thank you so much for asking.
I'm sure it's like a pride and a moment of proud for you to take this forward now in life with OMG Crown. What do you have to say?
For me, it's a beautiful journey because for me, I'm a student of life. I love to gather and put experience in my catalog. So for me, it's still going through every round because it happened online. The whole concept was starting the online thing because of the lockdown. So I believe it's the right way of using the technology. It's thanks to Parimal sir and the whole team because it's such a beautiful concept to explore your own potential, to fill your gaps in some way. So I'm really thankful to the whole team. And for me, I would just say it's just a learning for me. It's a beautiful experience. And yes, it's just a new beginning. Thank you.
So Samantha, what's in store now next going forward?
I am just a learner, so whatever best opportunity comes my way, I'm gonna take it after this because I want to become an actor. I just try to hone my skills and I'm into acting, so it's just a first step that I've taken.
Akshay, what do you have to say? I'm sure it's like a year-long journey, right from virtual to reality now. What do you have to say?
हम इस कॉन्टेस्ट के लिए हम एक साल से तैयारी कर रहे थे और मैं सिर्फ इतना कहना चाहूँगा, जो जर्नी थी, हर स्टेप इसमें एक लर्निंग थी मेरे लिए. और OMG की टीम, परिमल सर, दे ऑल हैव बीन वेरी सपोर्टिव थ्रू आउट एंड आई हैव एंजॉयड द प्रोसेस. और आगे आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड फॉर मोर प्रोजेक्ट्स एज आई एम इनटू एक्टिंग एंड मॉडलिंग एज वेल. सो मैं आगे और अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ के लिए वेट करूँगा.
It's been so encouraging. Where do you see your talent going forward from here?
Oh, the fact of starting OMG Face of the Year was to give a platform to all types of talent, be it from acting, be it from modeling, be it from singing, dancing, and that's the reason we had different types of contests, different types of levels. What I'm wishing is not only for my top 3 contestants today, but to all the top 10, top 20, top 40 who have been there, who learned something from this journey and taken forward to different levels. All we are set to take these people, these fabulous talents ahead in different fields of dancing, acting, in the field of media, in the field of web series, movies. All we want is they grow by the next year. By the time they come for season 2 and crown the next people, as I always used to tell them yesterday, they start dreaming of the year 2 when you'll come and you'll crown. Is the time they are actually have achieved, and we also could show some AVs about them that this is their journey of 1 year. So I'm looking from them. I'm super excited for my boys as well.
Likewise, sir.
So can you have everybody for visuals now?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You're watching Newstainment Television.